Frost and Lankes, Together and Apart. They had begun their association almost 4 decades before, when one was celebrated and the other striving for recognition. And these differences were even more pronounced at the end. Yet both had lived all the years accepting this fact, and, while realizing that one was bold and confident, the other retiring and taciturn, one magnanimous in spirit, the other more reticent. Nevertheless, the traits of each, however pronounced, benevolent or vexing, had generally resonated with the other, while providing occasional comfort. For it was neither temperament nor reputation that formed the bedrock of their bond, but rather their remarkably similar views of the human state and its role in the vast universal order. To express their conceptions of this perspective in artistic terms, each had utilized traditional generic implements that the other admired. For Lankes, plain blocks of wood and the most rudimentary of graving tools. For Frost, a poetics founded upon traditional English forms and a lucid, straightforward idiom. Both of the realms that they depicted were replete with seemingly plain folk and typically rural landscapes that are portrayed within a context of existential ambiguity that is rigorously engaged but ultimately unresolvable. And when fate decreed that their two visions be paired, each recognized immediately that his was reflected in that of the other. Men work together, says the reaper to the absent mower in Frost's poem, The Tuft of Flowers, whether they work together or apart.
But in fact, we mistrust artists who collaborate